Hello everyone, welcome to PRV Solution. So in this video lecture we will study another important topic, recorder. So what are recorders? Recorders are the devices which are used to record the electrical and non-electrical quantity as a function of time, and these are used in the measurement systems. So let us start our topic. Introduction. So recorder, it is an instrument which is used to record the electrical and non-electrical quantities as a function of time. The record shows how a variable varies with respect to another or with time. So this recorder what it records, it shows the variable, how a variable varies with time. The electrical quantities such as voltage and current are measured directly, but non-electrical quantities are first converted into electrical quantity by some transducers, and then these quantities are recorded by the recorders. So it is sometimes confused with a printer, but a plotter or recorder, it always uses a line drawing to form an image instead of using dots. Dots are used by the printers, but plotters or recorders used line drawings. A common type of plotter or recorder is one that uses a pen or pencil. So plotter or recorder always uses a pen or pencil, and this pen or pencil is held by a mechanical arm which is used to draw lines on the paper as images are typed. It may be a component that is added to a computer system. We can add this recorder to a computer system, external or internal. It can be used to create layouts, diagrams, specifications and banners. So these are the use of the recorders for making layouts, diagrams and banners. Definition. A recorder is a device whose function is to record the value of quantity as it is being measured. So while measuring we can record the quantity. Recording, why we record? Recording preserves the experimental data in a manageable and usable form, so that we can analyze this data for future. A recording system is useful in industries because it preserves information which could be obtained at an instant from indicating instruments. So it will preserve the information. It gives information about waveforms and transient behavior or phase relations in different parts of a circuit. It also gives important information in different parts of a circuit. Recorders types, generally we have analog recorders and digital recorders. Analog recorders are classified as graphic recorder, oscillographic recorder and magnetic tape recorders, and these graphic recorders are further classified as strip chart recorder, circular chart recorder, XY recorders. These XY recorders are further classified as analog XY recorders and digital XY recorder. Here XY means we can record two independent quantities as a function of time with each other, or we can record two independent quantities with each other. So all of these generally contain a built-in measuring apparatus as well as a recording mechanism. These all recorders contains a built-in measuring apparatus and recording mechanism. This gives recorders the capability of receiving electrical signal, so that they can receive electrical signal from detectors and sensors and convert them or their magnitude in a permanent record into a permanent record. So now we will study graphic recorders. In this video lecture we will only study graphic recorders. A graphic recorder is basically a measuring device which is able to produce in real time a hard copy of set of time function with the purpose of immediate or later visual inspection. So graphic recorders records the quantity as a function of time for inspection immediately or later. It will record as a hard copy. The curves or lines are mostly drawn on a long strip of papers. This recording mechanism uses curves and lines that are drawn on the papers, often called strip chart recorder. When the curves are drawn on a circular papers, it is called circular chart recorder. And when the two independent variables are to be recorded on a piece of paper, so here see the difference, we will record two independent variables on the same paper with respect to each other, then these are called XY recorders. These are further analog recorder and digital recorders. For circular chart recorder we have circular paper, and if we have strip of paper then it is known as strip chart recorders. Strip chart recorder. Now we'll study strip chart recorders. Strip chart recorders are those in which data is recorded on a continuous roll of chart paper. Here chart paper is rolled continuously, moving at a constant speed. The recorder records the variation of one or more variables with respect to times. So it can record the variation of one variable or more variable with respect to time. The basic elements of a strip chart recorder consist of a pen, which is also known as stylus, used for making marks. Pen is used for making marks on a movable paper. A pen driving system, it also contains a pen driving system which moves the pen. A vertically moving long roll of chart paper. So here we also have chart paper which is moving vertically downward or upward, and chart paper drive mechanism which will move the chart paper in upward direction and downward direction, and a chart speed selector switch. So these basic elements are shown in the next figure. So this is the basic strip chart recorder. So here we have a paper which is moving downward. Input signal is given to range selector switch. This range selector switch output is given to the signal conditioning element for proper conditioning or proper format for the input signal. Servo motor is used to move the pen according to input signals. Event input signal is applied to event marker, which events particular event which we want to mark. Chart speed selector which moves this chart in a downward direction. Chart drive means speed selector means how much speed to which this paper is moves downward, and chart drive is used to drive this chart. Let us discuss its functions. Figure shows the basic block diagram of strip chart recorder. The basic element of this recorder is pen for making and chart paper for recording data. Pen is used for marking and chart paper is used for recording data. Here instead of making we have here marking. The quantity to be measured is given as to the input to the range selector. The quantity which we want to measure is given as to the input to the range selector here. The range selector switch keep data within the limit. The stylus moved along the calibrated scale in accordance with the input data. This stylus will move according to input data. To get proper record of input data, signal conditioning block is used, which gives proper input signal along calibrated scale. If we will use signal conditioning element, it will provide proper record of the input data with calibrated scale. The chart paper moves vertically at a uniform speed here. The speed selector selects the required speed of the chart paper movement. Speed selector selects the speed of the moving of the paper. So how our strip chart recorder looks like. this diagram shows the same. So this is the stand, this is the input where we will apply a voltage or current which we want to measure. This is the range selector switch, this is the speed selector switch, this is the on off switch, manual feed of the paper, drive coax voltage curve, this is the pen or stylus, this is the paper readout, this is the scale. So input is applied here, then range is selected. So how means range, what is the function of range? It switch keeps data within the limit. It will keep the data within the limit, means proper limit to the data will be applied here. So this pen moves according to this range and gives us a continuous record of the voltage on this paper. Through this paper we can read out the voltage. So a strip chart consists of the following parts. First is a chart and paper. Long graph paper kept on two rollers. Lower rollers drags the paper vertically with the help of a motor. So this graph paper is moved downward here. Chart speed selector controls the speed of the roller at some specified speed selected by the operator and hence controls the time scale. It will controls the speed of the chart movement. Range selector, amplifier or attenuator which is to be adjusted according to amplitude level of the physical variable. So range selector is a amplifier or attenuator. If the physical variable to be recorded is of very low amplitude, then it needs to be amplified with proper gain. The gain value is adjusted by selecting proper range. Stylus or driving system moves the stylus in proportion to the physical variable to be recorded. In most recorders, a synchronous motor is used for driving the paper. Stylus create marking impression on the moving graph paper. Stylus is used to mark the impression on the moving graph paper. Most recorders uses a pointer attached to the stylus, which pointer moves over a calibrated scale, thus showing instantaneous value of the quantity being measured. So this stylus is used to mark or to put the impression on the moving graph paper. The most commonly used mechanism employed for making marks on the papers are pen and ink. We can use pen and ink marking with the ink filled stylus. Thermotype, here the marking is done with heated stylus on a temperature sensitive paper, for example fax paper. Impact type means pressure type, marking with pressure sensitive papers, carbon paper. Electrostatic stylus, marking with charged stylus on a plain paper. Optical type, marking with light ray on photosensitive paper. So this is all about the strip chart recorders or recorders. Thanks for watching.